Good morning, Bolorinaka, Namaskar, and welcome to everyone. Thank you for your attendance today. A special welcome to members of the Public Service Commission, Functional Review Team Leader, Mosese Sikiwo, and our Australian friends, Professor David Smitchen and Dr. Brad Fitzmaurice. We have two new members of the Public Service Commission from this year. Ms. Agnes Suva, former senior civil servant and currently working with the University of the South Pacific, and Mr. Manasa Tangidakembau, former Commissioner Western and Ambassador to China. I'm sorry that we are so crowded in this place. The original arrangement was for us to hold the workshop at Pearl Resort in Neumba, but unfortunately, owing to funding restrictions, we are not able to do that, so we have to do it here. We are crowded in the sense that when we planned for this place to have PS meetings, at that time we had about 22 or 21 permanent secretaries. But that has grown to 28, 25% more. We did not expect that, so you just have to bear with us. We hope that when the new government comes, the size of government will be reduced, both at ministers' level, assistant ministers, and maybe permanent secretaries. But permanent secretaries, there are people who are finishing contract, but we hope to be able to work out something in terms of limiting the size of government. I think, as you are all aware, I see Mr. Penisikibo nodding, because it's very much in the development plan to reduce the size of government and to reduce the cost of government. And we look forward to the situation after the general elections next year. As you are all aware, colleagues, the Prime Minister has endorsed a functional review of the Fiji public service. The functional review is important because it aims to improve the way government services are delivered. The functional review is also important because it aims to reinforce accountability. Accountability of senior civil servants is fundamental in building trust in our public institutions. As the Prime Minister had said, these two things, improving the way ministries deliver services to our communities and building trust through accountability, are essential to Fiji's ongoing prosperity. Mr. Mosese Sikiwo will provide us with an update of the review. As you will see, and as I am pleased to report, good progress has already been made. Good progress has also been made in meeting the Prime Minister's commitment to have permanent secretaries sign performance agreements by 30th September this year. Performance agreements are vital to improving service delivery and accountability. Performance agreements are important because they help ensure your performance as permanent secretaries aligns with the role and function of your ministry, help instill shared values throughout individual ministries and across the civil service, help identify training and development needs, and provide a proper basis for merit-based promotion. Today's workshop is an opportunity for you to have input into the introduction of the new performance agreements. We believe the new agreements are robust and strike the right balance between thought and practice. We see today as an important opportunity because we want to make sure the new system is relevant to your needs and fit for purpose. The functional review and performance agreements are just two of the initiatives the Commission is currently working on. We are also introducing a new executive leadership program and re-establishing a senior executive service. Both these will help us with succession planning. Mr. Sikibo will provide the detailed objectives of today's workshop. Essentially, the purpose is to provide an update on the progress of the functional review and to provide an overview of the draft PSC leadership support framework and performance agreement system. Before handing over to Mr. Sikibo, I want to say something about the timing of the introduction of the new performance agreements. Our aim is to deliver the PM's commitment and have agreements in place by 30th September 2026. In doing this, however, we are aware of the need to incorporate your feedback in the final product. Success will only come, and more importantly, will only be sustained by the Commission and Permanent Secretaries and Ministries working together. I'd like once again to stress the importance of all of you and all of us working together. Permanent Secretaries working together with their ministers and also with one another. We've heard many times about ministries operating in silos. We'd like to move away from that and work together cooperatively and collaboratively within the service. There are no special ministries. We've heard about some ministries calling themselves as a premier ministry. There is no premier ministry. You are all premier ministries in government. And we are there to work together to advance government's objectives and goals in terms of providing services delivery. Getting your input into the performance agreement system is the primary purpose of today. We also need to make sure the Commission has the necessary arrangements in place to support you. We are working on this along with the other initiatives I mentioned. But we also need to acknowledge the possibility of having to make changes after the election. It should also be noted, and as will be explained in the workshop, it is intended that performance agreements, when fully operational, will coincide with the financial year. So to recap, today is an important opportunity for you to provide feedback on the proposed new performance agreements for permanent secretaries. Make the best use of your today's program. We'd like to have more inputs coming from all of you. Enjoy the conversation. I think at some stage we'll probably be splitting into some small groups. Mr. Sikibo will also explain how you will have further opportunity beyond today to provide input for the transition to the new leadership framework and executive and development system. These new performance agreements are key components in our plan to drive change and improve performance and accountability across the Fiji public service. Getting our input into the performance agreement system is the primary purpose of today. We also need to make sure the Commission has the necessary arrangements in place to support you. So I think I've already covered that. At the end of today's workshop, I hope you will agree we are making good progress. I believe we are heading in the right direction, but there is more work to be done. The Commission has a strong commitment to work closely with you and support you the best we can. Again, thank you for your attendance today. I hope you find the workshop useful and productive. Thank you. Vinaka Vagalevu and Dhanyavad.